Okay guys, this is going to be a short video, but you know, here's the thing. I've been setting up the saddlebags on the side of my bike, and I'm going to be honest, I'm like not a very technical guy, so I've been kind of struggling. So since I did it, I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes that I did, so I'm just going to try and do a video on a step by step so that you know exactly how to do it. I've seen some videos, but there are things that I'm missing, and there's one that was stressing me, is basically taking out that bolt, which, you know, I'm not a mechanic, so it links directly to the suspension, so that was freaking me out. I had some good advice. I ended up doing it myself, and I don't regret it. It's super easy. Let me get you through it. Yeah, right. So two sets of hands is better, but you can do it on your own. That's what I did. First of all, you're gonna have to prepare that. Just basically take it out so that you don't have to do it at the last minute and, you know, behind everything. So that's the first thing. All right, so in the front I'm going to be using a 17, and in the back I think it's a 5.8, but I got to check it out. If it's not, I'll confirm. Okay, so it was an 11.7. All right, you'll go sort it out on your own. There it is. I've taken it out. The bolt just fell here. And this is it for now. Basically, you can pull this out. You can do it either by hand. Here it's a bit tight. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do it. But there is no problem pulling that bolt out. All right, so bolt is out. Took it out, then put it back. No problem. Watch out for that thing. It's got to be up. If it's not up, then if you have a passenger on pillion, you are... well, he's not going to be able to hang to anything else than yourself. That could be a choice though, but yeah, I'll put it up. So I didn't put it up the first time. I had to take everything out, so it was annoying. So remember to do it. Yeah, so putting that bolt back takes a bit of finicking with the because it's actually quite hard to access in the back. So my suggestion is the way I did it. I basically go all the way to the limit, and then I basically hold it with one of my fingers. Start trying to screw that bolt, and usually 3 times I've already done it, it seemed to work perfectly. It just at some stage it just clicks in and you're good, and after that you can use your wrench. All right, done. Don't screw it all the way. You're going to need a little bit of wiggle room. So yeah, just don't. I did it this way. I know some people are maniacs because they don't want to, you know, scratch their bikes. Honestly, that part, which is the tubular part of the bike, I really don't care. So you may want to do it in another order. This is my order. You know, again, just my opinion. Probably someone has a better way of doing it, but this is how I do it. All right, so the bottom bolt is a 12. It goes up pretty easily, actually. Can actually even do it with my finger on. Yeah, so this is a second part. Again, you're gonna have to set up the structure. Don't screw it completely back in. You want to make sure that you have enough wiggle room, because the last part is where you do the adjustment. As you can see, it's definitely not screwed yet. I'm gonna do it a bit more, and then I'm gonna set up the last part. I've seen some actually had some like rubber. I wish I had that. I'm a bit disappointed by my supplier, but you know, I'll still set it up, and I'll look at and check if it's not too noisy. All right, I'll continue now. So again, all those bolts are loose as we speak. I haven't completely, like, because it needs some adjustment, as you can see. I'm trying to get it to match. By the way, if you saw you realized before, I did something stupid. This was the one that was still on, and I had taken out this one. Obviously, if you want to do it properly, just do it the other way around. It's going to be easier. Both ways work. Just took it off and put it back in. Yeah, now I'm just gonna, you know, fiddle with it, try to see where the right angle is, and after that I'm just gonna have to screw back everything, which is pretty easy, and then I'm done. I'm just gonna add the bag. Yeah, by the way, the bolt in the back, my bad, it's not a 5.8, it's an 11.7. So yeah, so don't get the wrong one. Yeah, sorry about that. This is done. There you are. Set up, tighten all the bolts. Should be good to go. Anyway, I'm not going to put much on it. It's more for the looks than anything else. So there she is, completed. I'm just going to put the bag and I'll show you the final result. That's the final product. I like it. I've done something. I know some people are going to be screaming at me. I've actually used those to go under because I don't know. I have the feeling that it's not that well attached to the bike in terms of the bag itself. I'll probably rethink that at some stage, but that's just, didn't know what to do with those anyway. But yeah, to conclude, I went for a ride with it. No problem. Actually went to do a few groceries. And it's great. I mean, I really love it. I don't know what the next thing's going to be, but I'm definitely going to be pimping that ride as much as I can. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'm not going to do a lot of videos, but I'm probably going to do a few about the Royal Enfield. For now, I'm really having a blast with that bike. I got to say, I know it's a 350, but I didn't buy it for the speed. I bought it just, to ride along and have fun. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching this. You have a great day, and talk to you soon. Again, question, comments, likes, down there. Bye.